bug sticking on him. Where'd it go? Seriously, what the fuck kind of bug is that? What is that? It's like a green bee.
Oh God.
Oh my God, that thing's huge. Do something, O'Shawn.
Throw some more books at it. You weren't even throwing books at it. You were throwing books.
I know, I was trying to get done.
You were throwing books at the window.
There's a bug. Get it. You get it. Let it outside. Let it outside.
John, you let it in.
You let it in. Where'd it go? It's right there. Let it out. Let it out. Let it out. Why isn't it going? Ah!
It's right there.
John, can you please get it out? It's really creeping me out. Like, for real. It's like a green bee.
It keeps hitting the fan.
John, seriously, get it out.
I'm dying. I'm dying.
Get it out. What are you doing?
It's attracting the light, so you gotta pull it back to the
And now I can't see where the fuck it's going.
You gotta pull it back out here.
Are you serious right now? What happens if the thing attacks me?
It's not gonna take it.
Where is it? I swear. John, come on.
I'll wait for it to come back.
Yeah.